Thank you so much for joining me. This is meteorologist Eric Tolman with an update on our forecast for today. Numerous showers and thunderstorms today. Marginal risk for severe storms this afternoon. Greatest potential for showers and thunderstorms to become severe will occur throughout this afternoon into this evening. Time for the best coverage for marginal severe thunderstorm risk will be between 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. tonight. Main threats will be torrential rainfall, gusty winds up to 60 miles per hour. So once again, the greatest potential for severe storms this afternoon. Marginal risk, Category 1, will be between 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. Stay tuned for the very latest. I have another update coming up after this. We'll see you then.